Hi, I'm David Birch. I'm a certified instructor in Tai Chi and Qigong. And I'm starting a 28-day challenge of Seated Tai Chi. We're going to have Seated Tai Chi, Breathwork, and Qigong, and some fascia stretching. Before we get started, we need to do what I call create sanctuary. You need a stable physical and emotional environment where you can feel safe to practice. Step number 1 is to choose the place, and I would prefer that you choose more than one place. The place needs to be quick and easy to access. Ease of access is very important. Whenever you just have a few moments and you want to practice, that's very important for it to be convenient. So choose one or more spaces. These need to be spaces that are convenient, that feel safe, that are calm, and places that you are not going to be interrupted. Step number 2, prepare the chair. You want to choose a chair that is supportive, that is the right size, that is safe. So if a fold-up chair doesn't feel safe to you, feels like it's going to fold up with you in it, that's not the chair that we want. I've got one with a wide base. It's made out of wood. It's very sturdy. It's the right size where my lap is parallel with the ground. My feet reach the ground. The ground supports my feet. I can easily stand up. There are no wheels on my chair. I'm not going to roll away. It's not going to roll out from under me. I'm safe. I'm secure. I'm supported. So that is the external sanctuary, the physical place that we're going to choose to practice in. Now let's talk about the inner sanctuary. Step number 3, prepare the nervous system. We want our mind to be able to be relaxed and focused. We want our nervous system to feel safe and secure. We don't want to be startled. We don't want our thoughts to get scattered. We don't want to feel unsafe and jarred out of our practice. We want to be comfortable, safe, unhurried, uninterrupted as much as possible. But we also want to have what I like to call a contract with myself. It's a plan in advance that if we do get interrupted, that we're not going to get scattered, we're not going to get startled, that everything's going to be all right. You get the idea. This is an internal feeling of calmness, of safety, that we're trying to cultivate through this practice as well. So go find your place, and then I want you to sit there and practice. Just sit and notice how you feel. How does the place make you feel? How do you feel physically? Emotionally, mentally, how do you feel? Is there something else, maybe a slight change in location or a slight change to that location that would make it better? If so, make the change. And I hope you find your sanctuary, and I hope you create it, both the external sanctuary and the internal sanctuary, where you can enjoy this practice. So for a quick review, choose a space to practice. Modify that space or change to a different space so that you feel safe. Choose a chair that leaves you feeling safe, secure, supported. Try out the space and the chair. How do you feel? This is a practice that you can take with you. These skills that you are practicing, choosing safe places, making places feel safer to you, and creating the sense of comfort and safety inside, creating an external and internal sanctuary, are skills that you can start to apply in your day-to-day life. My name is David Birch. I hope you will join me in my Chair Tai Chi 28-day challenge.